Chapter 4 Hasya Yoga Humorous Jokes. Hello students. How are you students?
Hello teacher. We are fine teacher.
Students, have you ever heard rhymes, riddles or jokes?
Yes teacher.
Nice. Today let me tell you Hasya Yoga means humorous jokes in Sanskrit. Let's listen. आपणिकः ग्राहकं प्रति एतत् यन्त्रं क्रीणातु क्रयणयोग्यम् अस्ति. The shopkeepers to the customer. Buy this machine. It is proper to be bought. ग्राहकः तस्य का विशेषता अस्ति? The customer. What is its speciality? आपणिकः एतत् यन्त्रं भवतः 50% कार्यभारम् अल्पं करिष्यति. The shopkeepers. This machine will lessen your workload by 50%. ग्राहकः तर्हि कृपया 2 यन्त्रे ददातु. The customer. Then please give me 2 machines. Ha ha ha. Students, are you having fun?
Yes teacher.
Let's hear another joke. शिक्षकः छात्रायाः गृहकार्य दृष्ट्वा. The teacher, after checking the students' homework, भवतः गृहकार्य बहवः दोषाः. तान् अपि भवान् एकः एव करोति. There are many mistakes in your homework. Only you do these mistakes. छात्रः महोदय एते सर्वे दोषाः अहम् एकः एवं न करोमि. गृहपाठलेखने मम पिता अपि सहायतां करोति. The student, Sir, I alone do not make all these mistakes. My father also helps me in doing my homework. Students, are you having fun?
Yes teacher.
Let's hear another joke. गृहस्वामिः अतिथिं प्रति भवान् आगच्छतु श्वानभयं न अनुभवतु. The owner of the house to the guest. Please welcome. Don't be afraid of the dog. अतिथिः किं सः न दंशति? The guest. Does not it bite? गृहस्वामिः तस्य दंशन स्वभावः अस्ति वा न वा इति अहम् अपि न जानामि. यतः एतस्य स्वभावस्य परीक्षणम् अधुना भविष्यति. The owner of the house. I don't know whether it has or hasn't nature of biting, because it will be the taste of its nature now. Students, are you having fun?
Yes teacher.
Let's hear another joke. एकदा चोरद्वयं वित्तकोशे लुण्ठनं करोति. Once 2 thieves rob a bank. बहूनि रूप्यकाणि प्राप्नोति. गृहम् आगत्य वार्तालापं करोति. They get many rupees. Having come home, they talk. प्रथमः चोरः कियत् धनं प्राप्तं? तस्य ज्ञानार्थ धनगणनां करोमि. The first thief. I am counting money because I want to know how much money we have got. द्वितीयः चोरः व्यर्थ श्रमं मा करोतु. श्वः वर्तमानपत्रे वार्ताम् आगमिष्यति एव. ततः गणना ज्ञानं भविष्यति. The second thief. Don't do useless labor. The news will come in the newspaper tomorrow. So we shall know counting. Students, are you having fun?
Yes teacher.
Let's hear another joke. वृद्धः शम्भुनाथः मम पत्नी मम भोजनस्य पश्चात् एव भोजनं करोति. Old Shambhunath. My wife takes dinner only after I take my dinner. रमानाथः भवान् भार्यया सह भोजनं न करोति वा? रमानाथः डोंट यू टेक डिनर विथ योर वाइफ? शंभुनाथः तथा किमपि नास्ति, मम भोजनस्य पश्चात् सा भोजनं करोति, तस्य कारणम् अस्ति यतः आवयोः एका एव कृत्रिम दंतावली अस्ति. शंभुनाथ इट इज नॉट सो. शी टेक्स डिनर ओनली आफ्टर I take my dinner. It has a reason. We both have only one denture between us. Students, are you having fun?
Yes, teacher.
Nice students. If you like other such funny jokes or riddles, write them in your notebook and share them with your school friends.